Hello guys, welcome to Sampada Creators and I'm your host Shubham Sharma. So guys, in this video we're going to talk about how we can be eligible for Matcha airdrop if it ever happens. But first you have to know what is Matcha. Guys, Matcha is also a decentralized exchange which runs on different blockchains. Means we can use BSC, we can use Polygon, we can use Ethereum. But why Matcha stands different? It is because Matcha is very cost efficient. The fee of swapping any coin into any chain is very less as comparison to other dexes. So Matcha can give us an airdrop. But how we can be eligible for that airdrop and how we can swap in Matcha? For that we have to go to our computer screen. So let's go to our computer screen. Hello guys, welcome, and here I have searched Matcha Dex and I'm getting this website matcha.xyz. I click on this website, right? I click on the start trading, and now I am going to connect my wallet here. I click on this, I click on connect wallet, connect MetaMask, next connect. Now start trading again, and now I want to use BSC chain, right? So I choose my token. So these are the tokens which I am seeing, right? So I want to choose, let's say, BUSD, right? I click on this, trade at your own risk. I understand, and now I want to pay with BNB, right? Click on this 0.5 BNB and I'm going to get $312. I click on this review order, click on this place order, confirm for the fees, time left, transaction on the chain. So it have a quite nice interface, right? Accept, right? So my trade is done, right? Now I click on this new trade. Now I will switch back maximum BUSD to BNB, right? Click on this review order, approve my BUSD. As we all know, approve, confirm. Now again, cool and good interface, finalizing quote. What is this? You pay BUSD BNB. What happened? Okay, now I can do this. Review order, finalizing quote, place order. Click on this confirm, and then again this animation. Transaction is on the chain, and my chain is done. So on Matcha also I have traded with the volume of more than $500. So this is how we can be eligible for the airdrop of Matcha. So I have successfully converted my BNB to BUSD and BUSD back to my BNB and have a volume more than $500, and this is how we can be eligible for the airdrop of Matcha token if it ever comes. So guys, this is it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.